Well, howdy, boys and girls. It's another fine day out here in Southwest Oklahoma. No need to show you my ugly mug. You've seen it enough times. Some of you know my videos are mainly focused on either enhancing the vehicle or safety. But today it's a 2-for-1 special. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about from a quick demonstration. There it is. Just like that. And let me tell you more about it. That's how quickly it was deployed. Well, welcome back, boys and girls. We don't know what's going on in this world. We don't know what's going to happen next. The only thing we can do, like everything in life, is prepare for the worst and enjoy life as much as possible. That's the reason for the security of your vehicle and security of yourself. What we have here is nothing more than a secondary security feature, a steering wheel lock. At the end, of course, is a removable tip which you can use to break the glass. If you don't want that, you could just take it off, but I would keep it on there. Warning: danger, Will Robinson. Be careful when deploying it in the vehicle, as you can damage the upholstery or anything because it is very sharp. How sharp that is? Well, I think you're going to have to find out for yourself. When you use it as a weapon, in case of a road rage, you saw how fast I deployed it. Extends out just like that. You don't even have to get out of the car. I'm still in my seatbelt. You don't have to get out. All right, just like that. It's that simple. Have your friend or loved one or whoever stand outside here. All right, and when tap him just gently a few times, all right, on his bare skin or even with clothes on, just at the point, and that's maybe less than 3 pounds of pressure right there. Think about full force or even 10 pounds of pressure when you hit that. Believe it, it will hurt, and he will tell you, or she will tell you it hurts. That's what I'm getting at. So when the people come over here approaching you, road rage, you know, I mean, they're on beast mode, bam, hit them in the arm, in the face, anywhere in the body. He will feel it to back off. That will give you time to get away. You don't have to get out of the vehicle. You don't need to get out of the vehicle. And don't think you're John Wick, you're going to get out there and kick somebody's ass, all right? It might be the other way around. All right, you don't know what he might be carrying or what's going to happen. Don't get out of your vehicle unless you need to, for whatever reason you decide. You might be wondering about protecting the vehicle, the interior, so it doesn't get damaged. You can put padding on here, tape it. You decide how you want to protect it. It goes right here. I don't know about other vehicles, their setup, but it's real easy. Put the protective cover back on. That's simple, and it's right there. All right, you can put padding here, however you want to protect it. When it's deployed, unsnap that, pull it out. As you extend it out, pull it out, and there's your weapon right there. See where it is right now? It is positioned here so that when I pull it up, this will catch in the seats so I don't have to take it out. Even if you take it out, it will take a fraction of a second to take it out. Down here on the side, you could put it just here. Well, it's pretty conveniently located. Several reasons you can keep it that way. One mainly, of course, is for security. You can take it out right away, that quick, take it out and put it on there. Just like that. Real easy. You don't need all these, it doesn't take up that much room. The other reason you want to use it, of course, is here. Say you get in an accident somewhere, it's not going to go anywhere. Just getting it ready, it won't take that long to put on your vehicle. Just like that. Walk out. How fast, how long does it take to take off? Real simple. All right, take your time. Don't be in a rush all the time. Learn a little patience. All right, so let's say you come up to the car, open it, get in, take it out your car, just like this, and that's how quickly you can take it off. again, for peace of mind, I think it's a worthwhile investment. And that's what everything is. Everything you do in life, everything you buy for yourself, for your family, it's an investment. Consider it like that, whether it's for peace of mind, safety, or to make your life. You can either fight or you can take flight. It's that simple. So unless you are blocked in or there's no way to get out, then I guess you're going to have to fight. The best way to prepare yourself, like anything in life, is by repetition, muscle memory. Doing it over and over until it becomes habit. The same way they teach us in the military. They call it drills. Here it's just repetition over and over. Just going to show you a few things here. Some people might disagree with it. Some people might like it. I'm not here to condone violence. I'm here to tell you at all times, protect yourself. Fights can be dangerous. You don't put yourself and your family in that situation. If you can, get away. It is not worth it. All right? Don't ever let pride get in the way. Why do you think wars and arguments and everything happen? Because there's pride getting in the way. They either step on someone's toes, or they call them some kind of skag, or they call them some kind of moron. You know, don't let words and pride get in the way. Get away from it. The best way to defuse the situation is to separate. It is that simple. Enough said. So let me show you what I mean. Someone's coming at you, of course, roll up your window, and just get away. You can hear him through the glass. Don't roll down your window. Why? Because this is a barrier between you and that person. Why would you want to roll down your window? Lock your doors. All right? There's nothing to prove by getting out, trying to get in a fight with him, you know, wrestle him to the ground and do whatever you're going to do. Don't try it. These types I'm going to show you is mainly for close quarters. And it's that simple. Do it and practice it over and over and over. Practice it once a day. Practice it 10 seconds every time you get in the car. Because once it becomes a habit, once you keep repeating it, it becomes second nature to you. Left hand, all right, whether you're left hand dominant, right hand dominant, it doesn't matter. This side, at the driver's side, is to protect yourself. All right, this side is for the offense. Left hand defense, right hand defense. Left arm defense, right arm defense. Simple. Someone's coming at you here, all right? Pull it out. That's simple. Use anything to your advantage. There's a reason I have these. You can put it anywhere you want. You decide. You could put it under here. All right, ready for deployment. Put it here, and that's the reason I have this. Not just to protect the dash, but to cover any weapons I might need to protect myself. Simple, just like that. Defense here. Why? You have to understand one thing. When people mean you harm, all right, they're going to do what it takes to either take you down or take what they want from you. When they see a weapon in your hand, they will hesitate. Not just that. If they really mean you harm, you want to defense and stab, just like that. All right? Don't unhook your seatbelt. Why? Because as soon as you break contact with the enemy or whoever they are, you want to take off. Don't stand there. Leave. It's that simple. You might not use that one. You might just use simple knife here. Okay? Again, practice what is comfortable for you. If you don't like knives, a pencil is just as good. All right? You want to stab him in the vulnerable parts of the body, the arms, because he's going to be, his arms, his hand is exposed. So use that, all right? If you've never been stabbed or poked by a pencil or sharp object, a knife or anything, all right, don't worry, you'll be surprised. That momentary surprise is your chance to get away. If you want to go to another measure, of course, right here. If you want to, right there. All right, no one's going to know any better. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people is going to say, you don't want to put your weapon there. You get an accident, it's going to break the glass or it might fall off. Anyone can say anything. You do what you feel comfortable with when you need to, when the time comes. It is that simple. No matter what. If you don't have anything else, there's your fists. All right? There's your fingers. Finger jab. Anything you can. Spear hand. Protect yourself at all times. Here, just pull it out. Some people, of course, they put it underneath or stash it somewhere else. When the time comes, you don't want to be grabbing for it. All right? You want it ready when? Yeah, you can mount it here, you mount it somewhere else. It's up to you. I'm just giving you an idea. The point is, use whatever you have to protect yourself. Whether it's a gun, whether it's a knife, whether it's a pencil. This right here is for getting them in there. That simple. I had the black, I changed it to the red because I want it obvious. All right, these things, steering wheel lock, the knives, the gun, they're all deterrents, okay, from possible violence. And that's what you're doing. You're trying to prevent them from doing you any harm. You don't want to kill them, okay? You're going to feel bad when you kill someone. But remember, when someone comes at you, it's going to be coming from the left here. Your job is to distance yourself away from the person. By the simple fact that you coming in here, you're crossing your arm. Yes, that's fine. But he might be grabbing you by your neck, by your collar, by the steering wheel. So as you distance yourself, pull it out and defend yourself. Again, separate yourself from the attacker. The window is the best and drive off. But if not, either the window is down or they break the glass. Put your arm up and there you go. And I hope you all learned something from this video, boys and girls. Take care, stay safe. I thought I just want to share with you. Really, I just wanted to show you mainly using the steering wheel lock, okay, as a secondary weapon if you need to. But as you can see, you could use a knife, a gun, a pencil, anything else to defend yourself. Okay, boys and girls, I think I've jibber-jabbered long enough. Take care, stay safe, and thank you all for watching.